Hi friends, and this is a new tutorial about the Instagram app. Today we will show you how to use the limits mode, the limits option for your Instagram account. So if this topic is interesting, let's go to the watching. First and foremost, we need to open our Instagram app, and we are already on our profile. To activate and use to also disable this limits feature, let's tap on this three lines icon at the right upper corner of the screen and choose settings. Later we need to go to the privacy, and we have this feature like limits. What does it mean that we will limit someone? So if you want to limit contacts with others for a while, to don't have any additional messages, comments, etc., you can use this limit option, because you can also set some time limit for the selected accounts. Let's check how does this feature work. And tap on the continue. Later, as you can check on the who to limit section, you can choose which type of accounts you want to limit. For example, only users that aren't your followers. So to activate this option and disable this type of users, let's tap on the toggle opposite. And as an example, the recent followers, I want to disable this mode, so let's tap on the toggle opposite again. So I have only the first feature activated, and other accounts which aren't my followers won't be able to send some messages and add comments for my posts and reels. Later I can set the time for this limit. As an example, I want to choose, I don't know, for 3 days only, and let's set the reminder. Right now this is a really cool option if you are not sure that these accounts are your friends and want to add some good comments for you. If you want to limit such a contacts, it is really very convenient and a good way. We just only have 3 days for this limit, for this station, so let's tap on the turn on to activate this feature. And right now my limits option is activated. I will check it again, to the lives, but I want to choose the limits. And yes, if we have this option below, like turn off, it means that right now our feature is activated. And as you can understand, to disable it, we just need to pick on the K, turn off at the bottom. So let's do it to disable this option, and right now our limits mode is disabled. It's very convenient, and unfortunately this limits option isn't popular, but I hope that this video will help you to use it and make this mode more popular and useful. Guys, don't forget about likes. Also check our others video, because we will show you more interesting cool tricks about the Instagram and other applications. And don't forget about our channel on YouTube. Have a nice day. Bye bye.